Hey guys, it's Arcade and I'm back with another video, and in this video I'm gonna try to make a future-based song in 5 minutes. So it's kind of a challenge video. I'm not sure if it's gonna be a good song or not. Before we get started, I just wanna give a quick shout out to my friends at the Rocket Powered Sound. They are doing a huge $1,000 giveaway. They are giving away stuff like plugins, sample packs, and even t-shirts related to producers, so make sure to enter. And to enter, just check out the link in the description. Now let's get started with the challenge. So I'm gonna have 5 minutes to make this track, or I'm just gonna make a drop or something like that, but only 5 minutes to do it. So let's see if we can do it. I'm gonna set a timer on my phone to 5 minutes, and I'm gonna put a timer on the screen as well. And yeah, let's get started. I haven't prepared anything, so it's gonna be interesting. Let's get started right now. So as always, I'm not gonna talk much because it's hard to talk while making this in 5 minutes. I already know these samples, so I know my sample packs. That's why I went straight to them. And let's put another kick in there. Okay, that's the drums. We gotta act fast, because anything we spend too much time with anything, we are not gonna be able to finish it. Let's do chords right now. Let's do something basic. Let's do this. Let's do the most basic chord progression. Okay, it's taking a long time right now. It's actually okay, that's the chords. Let's do the bass now. Same sample pack, because I know the sounds, that's why I'm using that sample pack. Okay, that's gotta be good enough. Let's put it all together. I need to sidechain it, but I'm not sure if I have time. I have 2 minutes, so let's do the sidechaining. Number 6. Sidechain to this track. Through the limiter, change it to compressor, sidechain, blah blah. Real quick, okay, sidechaining done, I guess. No time to do effects. Now let's do a melody. Let's actually add one more layer of chords. We still have a minute left. Feature bass. And which one? Okay, let's add that, and let's do the melody now. Let's put it on 7. Root to this track. We need some reverb on the melody at least. Maybe sound good is there just before even I choose the sound. We have 1 minute left. That's not enough. Fuck. Okay, that's good enough to... Let me just put everything up. But the mix is shit. We have 6 seconds. I'm not gonna make it. This is it. This is what we got. This is what we got after 5 minutes. It's not as good as I thought, but let's hear it. Okay, so that's it. The mix is really bad. Other than that, it might even work. I'm just gonna try to do a simple mix right now to see how much we can improve it in a little bit of time. So let's just do a really quick mix. So as you could hear in the song, the kick was really quiet. You could barely hear it. Okay. And the hi-hat's pretty bad as well. Let me actually put a stereo shaper on them. And now, these chords, we need to adjust them as well. Maybe more high frequencies here. Delete the low frequencies. And some reverb. Then the bass. Actually, could we lower it by octave? And then the melody, kind of quiet as well. And let's layer the melody with another sound, because this one is not good enough by itself. And let's add some effects. Crash, and this one. And let's hear it now after a quick mix. And my camera stopped recording, but let's hear the song now after the quick mix we did and see how much it changed. So yeah, it's way better than before. Of course, it's still not a great song. It's really basic, but that's kind of what the 5-minute challenge is. It's just to make a song as quick as possible and not really care about how creative or amazing it is. But yeah, it's a cool challenge to try out. It kind of forces you to make songs fast, which is a good thing sometimes, because sometimes you can get stuck overthinking it. And if you just set a timer on the track, then you will stop overthinking and you'll just make a track. So maybe don't do 5 minutes, but do like half an hour and see if you can make a cool track in that time. Anyways, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye. Fighting with the pain, Lord, cussing in my brain.